This is Akara. Akara is a breakfast staple that is originally from Nigeria, but it has also migrated to a number of West African countries as well as Brazil. It is a traditional breakfast meal that is also popular in Ghana, Togo, Benin, Mali, and the Gambia. They also call it kose, and in Brazil, they call it Acaraje. Akara and akamo is a typical weekend breakfast in Nigeria. It is either a Saturday morning breakfast or a Sunday one. Most Nigerian homes can testify to this. While I was growing up, making akara was a long process, but thank God with the kitchen gadgets and expertise, it is a lot less of an arduous task. So let me show you a little preview on what it is like to make akara in your own house. And please do not forget to subscribe. Make sure to check the description box for the ingredients. Hello, my name is Nene and you are welcome to my kitchen. So today I am going to be making akara, or kose as we Africans will call it. But if you are non-African, you can call it bean cake, okay? So I know there are so many akara recipes out there. Today I'm going to be showing you my special 3-ingredient akara recipe, and my ingredients are, so here we have honey brown beans, and you can as well use black eyed pea if you have that available, it's fine. I have onions here, 1/4 portion of my bell pepper, and I have Scotch bonnet, so I'm using only one. And so the remaining portion of my onions, I chopped it, okay, and I'm going to be showing you how I incorporate this into the akara. Here we have salt and 1 seasoning cube. So now that I have shown you all of my ingredients, let's get cooking. Go ahead and put it in my blender so we can peel the beans because it's soft now. It's very soft. At this point, you want to pulse your blender for about 30 to 35 seconds. Just so we do not crush the beans, we are just trying to peel it. Now that I have, you guys can see, now that I have pulsed the beans, it has taken off the skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash it out so we can get a cleaner result, okay? So let's go. We have the washed beans now, everything looks good. We're ready to blend our beans mixture. Okay. So, I love to use a drainer. so that I'm not getting in so much water into the beans. So now that we have all the beans in the blender, we're going to start the blending process. So firstly, onions. I'm just going to dump them all in. So onions, Scotch bonnet, and quarter of the red bell pepper, and just add a little bit of water. You don't want your mixture to be watery, so you want to be able to control this part of the process. So little bit of water, keep adding it until you're able to blend it through. At this point, I'm just taking out the mixture and putting it in my mixing bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoning cube and a little bit of water, and I'll blend it with the rest of my mixture because I do not like to waste anything. So this is the consistency we are going for, not too thick. We're going to go ahead and whisk the batter and incorporate some air in. I would advise you whisk for about 6 minutes to get the best. And look how beautiful this Akara mixture is. Look how light it is now. It's very light and fluffy. And this is what you want to achieve. Okay, so you can whisk. And now at this point, I'm going to add salt and onions. And I'll go ahead and stir it into the batter. Adding fresh chopped onions to your batter gives your akara a different texture when you are eating it. When the oil is hot, scoop the batter into the oil with your hand, or you can use a measuring cup like I did. Fry till golden brown, and remember to flip the akara to the other side so that the akara balls brown evenly. And when it's done, You can transfer to a frying basket lined with kitchen paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Alright guys, so the akara is ready. We've finished frying and I just want to show you what it looks like inside. Oh my god guys, just look at that yumminess. Look, it is well cooked and it is not soggy. It is not soggy at all. Okay, so, it is so good. So good. Oh my god. I had a mouthful and my sons have been eating this akara. They've been coming here to take one after the other. So you can have akara with custard, okay? And this is how I love to eat mine. So good. So guys, give me a moment, let me finish what's in my mouth. So guys, if you enjoyed watching me prepare this beautifully done akara balls, kose or bean cake, don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment, share my videos, and also please subscribe, okay? And until my next video, see ya!